They don't arrive screaming. They arrive helpful. Addiction doesn't start with excess. It starts with relief, something that works too well. All addictive substances do the same thing. They regulate the nervous system faster than life can, and the body forgets how to do it alone. Alcohol, relief disguised as relaxation. First, it destroys the liver, then the brain. Emotional regulation fails long before the organ does. Nicotine, instant control over discomfort. Stress erased in seconds. It destroys the lungs and the blood vessels, and trains the nervous system to live in urgency. Opioids, not a high. Silence. They dismantle the brain's pain and reward system. Breathing becomes optional. Memory makes escape relentless. Stimulants. Cocaine, meth. Addiction to intensity. Addiction to being more. They damage the heart and hollow out the dopamine system. Eventually, identity collapses with the crash. Sleeping pills and sedatives. The most polite addiction. Prescribed, trusted, quiet. They shut down natural sleep cycles. They erase the brain's ability to self-soothe. Here's the pattern people miss. These substances don't destroy lives first. They destroy self-regulation. Chemistry replaces coping. Speed replaces resilience. Addiction is not weakness. It's a shortcut the nervous system learned and forgot how to walk without. The most addictive substances are the ones that convince the body it cannot function alone.